Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make tofu fries. Tofu can be a little bit too plain and boring for some people, but you will change your mind after you try this tofu fries. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this tofu fries, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 packs of tofu. I'm using firm tofu today. About 1 cup all-purpose flour, some salt and pepper, and panko breadcrumb. Let's drain the tofu first. So prepare a paper towel. Wrap tofu with the paper towel. Then put something heavy on top and leave this for 10 to 15 minutes. It's well drained, nice and firm. So let's remove the paper towel. Cut it into 6 pieces. Now let's make some batter. Instead of putting salt and pepper directly on the tofu, I'm mixing it into the batter. So here I have about 1 cup of flour. Let's put some salt and pepper, about 1 teaspoon. 1 cup of cold water. Give it a mix. And the batter is ready. Dip tofu into the batter. Make sure it's all coated. Then panko breadcrumb. Press it gently so the panko stays well. All done, so let's fry them. I'm heating up some canola oil over medium to medium high heat. Let's check the temperature by dropping a little bit of butter. If it hits the bottom and comes up immediately, just like it did, it's a good temperature. Let's put the tofu gently into the oil. And fry them for 1 to 2 minutes on each side. Nice golden brown all over the tofu, so let's take them out and drain. Serve them on the plate. Some sauce. I'm using tonkatsu sauce today, but you can use any sauce you like. Sesame seeds if you like for the nice flavor. And tofu fries are ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. It's so crispy outside and the tofu inside is almost melting. And the sesame seeds add a nice accent to it and it's delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 2 side dishes. Tofu fries are main dish, so let's put it here. Tofu fries are vegetarian friendly, so let's make the whole meal vegetarian friendly. Plain rice here and vegetable miso soup without using the Japanese soup stock here. For one of the side dishes, I usually have some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade. For the other side dish, let's have namasu, daikon and carrot salad. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!